Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix unexpected login error message in League of Legends. If you are getting an unexpected login error in League of Legends, firstly you need to turn off any VPN that you're using which can be causing this issue. In order to do that, the search panel, go to settings. After that, click on open. From here, head to the network and internet settings. Click on VPN. Now in here, if you have any VPN connected, just click on disconnect and you will be disconnected from that VPN network. Now we'll need to flush our DNS resolver cache. In order to do that, head to the search panel. From here, type command prompt. Left click on open. Now in here you have to type IP config space / flush DNS. Now the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. You can also try to change your DNS to resolve this issue. In order to do that, right click on the network icon on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Click on network and internet settings. From here, go to the Ethernet settings. Then under the DNS assignments, click on edit button. Now set the preferred DNS as 8.8.8.8. An alternative will be 8.8.4.4. Now click on save, then exit. Now if this still doesn't resolve your issue, then the problem is most certainly with the servers of Riot Games. To check if it's a problem for their end, open up your browser. Then on the URL section, type status.riotgames.com. Now select League of Legends. Now if there's any error message in the current message section, that means that there is a problem with the Riot servers and you need to wait a bit for them to fix this issue. Till then, you have to sit tight and relax.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.